Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, back here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the stake portfolio update, how it's been performing over the last few months. We're also going to be talking about the most traded stocks in September 2020 on the stake platform. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, it really does help the YouTube algorithm. If you want to sign up to stake, use our referral link in the description or head over to ink.yt/stake, enter referral code Inkmattic and add money to your account, and you'll be able to spin the wheel and see what you get. It'll be either Nike, GoPro or Dropbox, so you know it's kind of a win-win situation. So give it a go, link is in the description. Also check out inkmattic.com. We have a number of useful posts that we are writing on the weekly, so check it out and let me know if there are any specific articles that you want, or even in that case any particular videos. Welcome to video ideas. Hit me up in the comments down below. So let's start off with the portfolio update. The portfolio value is now at $400.64. Total returns at the moment is $7.73. You know, massive gains. To be fair, I'm really happy with that because it is still in the green, and I'm really happy about that. So in terms of the screenshot, I've got, as you can see, it's $400.64. I've included that, but I'm up 1.97% in total. On the day I'm down 2.34%, but let's not go into that right now. So yeah, I think overall I'm really happy with that, and it is doing pretty well, although it has been dropping over the last few days. So now let's move on to the stocks that I have in this portfolio. The first one being Arbor Realty Trust, ABR. The current price is at $11.24 at the time of recording in this video. So I currently have 8.4688 shares, so basically 8.46. The average price that I have is at $11.01. Total returns, I'm up $1.93. That's 2.07%. Pretty happy with that. They do have a yield which is around 10%, so you know, pretty happy with that, and I do believe they pay on the quarterly. The next stock in the portfolio is Leggett & Platt. They're currently at $40.52. I've got 1.0216 shares, so that's basically 1.02. My average price is at $31.32. Pretty happy with that. I think I got it at a really good price, although I only purchased just over one share. I should have really purchased more of this, but what can you do? The total returns at the moment is $9.39, which is 29.34% in the green, or should I say black. So this is one of the shares that have been doing really well on the stake portfolio. It is literally up 29.34%, so really happy and pleased with that. I would love to know, do you have Leggett & Platt in your portfolio, and how is it performing for you, and what price did you buy it at? So the dividend yield for this stock is around 3.81%. So I think it's still quite a strong dividend yield. It's above 3, so I think, you know, it is still fairly decent. So moving on to the final stock that I have in the portfolio, which is Realty Income Corporation, ticker symbol O. It's currently at $57.77 at the time of recording this video. So I've got 4.5704, so basically 4.57 shares. My average price at the moment is at $58.56. I am down $3.62 on this. This is minus 1.35%. It's not ideal, but I think what would be really helpful is that if the total return was actually in red, in my opinion, I think that would help illustrate, you know, that you are in a red. So yeah, I think that overall is not too bad. I think this is probably a good time to average down for me personally. The yield at the moment is at 4.78%, which is still pretty good, I think, and it is something that I definitely do want to average down because I think it is actually at a really good price. I'd love to know what you guys think. Do you have Realty Income in your portfolio, and what price did you pay for it? Do you think it's a good time to average down your cost? And don't forget to like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Alright guys, so this is going to be something new that we're going to try out in this video, and let me know in the comments down below what you think or what kind of comparisons we can do. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this, and we're going to be talking about the most traded stocks on stake in September 2020 from the UK users. At number 10, we've got SQQQ, so SQQQQ, there we go, I've got it right. ProShares Ultra Pro short QQQ ETF. So this is at spot number 10 as the most traded stock in September 2020, ranked number 10. At number 9, we've got this company. Can you guess the logo? Do you know what it is? It is ticker symbol GPRO, which is GoPro Inc. This could be from all the free shares that they've been giving out for people that's signing up. Who knows? At number 8, we've got Inovio, which is a pharmaceutical company, ticker symbol INO, biopharmaceutical company called Inovio Pharmaceuticals Inc. So at number 7, we've got Zuora. That's ticker symbol ZUO. Zuora is a software enterprise company. I've personally not heard of them before. I'd love to know what you guys think about them or what they do. Leave a comment down below with this one. Do you have it in your stake portfolio? Because it is ranked number 7. So pretty sure a lot of you guys have this company in your portfolio. Moving on to number 6, everyone's favorite company, Amazon. That's ticker symbol AMZN. They are a massive company, literally huge. Everyone knows who they are, so you probably already know who they are, and you've probably already got them in your portfolio. In terms of this, I do think they're going to do amazing. They're going to continue to grow and, probably one day take over the world. Just kidding. They are a really good growth stock in my opinion. I personally do like them. I do want to buy into Amazon, but I think they're a little bit pricey right now for me. I'd love to know what you guys think about this. Is it, do you have it in your portfolio, or would you consider to buy it at today's prices? If the economies go into a second lockdown, I do think Amazon would see a huge rise again. I'd love to know what you guys think about it. Do you think it is a buy right now if there is going to be a second lockdown? So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really does help the YouTube algorithm and get this video out to more people. So at number 5, we've got pineapple. Yes, you heard it right, pineapple. No, I'm just kidding. It's actually Apple. They are one of the largest companies in the world by value. They are a great company. They make fantastic products. They are moving into the services industry, which I think they've got a lot of room to grow in that space, especially when they kind of link up all their products together. And then it's another selling point for people to actually subscribe into their subscriptions. So I think, yeah, it's probably something that I do want to get into, and I think it is a great company. So at number 4, we've got Novavax, ticker symbol NVAX. Novavax, they are a American vaccine company. Moving on to number 3, can you guess what this one is? Yes, it's the one with the dodgy CEO, Nikola Motors. Ticker symbol NKLA, Nikola Corporation is what they're actually called. But anyway, yeah, so I personally don't like this company, but a lot of you do. Let me know in the comments, are you still bullish with this? I think that CEO got kicked out. I don't really know too much about this company. But apparently a lot of you have traded this, and that is at number 3. So moving on to the second most traded stock on the platform of stake from the UK users. And this company has taken the industry by storm and outpaced a number of other tools like Skype and become the industry leader. And this is Zoom, ticker symbol ZM, Zoom Video Communications. I think this has a lot of growth to do, and they have become like the industry for video conferencing and communication. I'd love to know what you guys think. How do you think this is going to impact, or how do you think it's going to do if there is a second national or global lockdown? It would be good to get your insights on this. Personally, I like Zoom and Microsoft Teams. They're my two go-to. I also like Hangouts, but I'm not really a fan of it. I think it's just, I like the simplicity of a Hangout. But yeah, that's just me. It would be really good to get your insights on this. So yeah, leave a comment down below. And finally, what we've been waiting for is the most traded stock on the stake platform in September 2020 from UK users. And you got it right, it's Tesla. I mean, come on, of course it's going to be Tesla. They've literally been like the most traded stock on a bunch of platforms. So it isn't really a surprise that it's Tesla. It is a great stock, and it is kind of one of those stocks that are really hot at the moment. I'd love to know, do you guys have Tesla in your portfolio, and if so, what are your plans for it long term? Are you planning to sell, or are you going to be holding on to it, expecting it to continue to soar? Leave a comment down below on what you guys think, but I'd also love to know what you guys would like to see. Would you like to see a comparison between the UK users versus Australia? So let me know in the comments down below on what kind of comparisons you would like to do in terms of the stake stats. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and check out Stake by using my referral code, which is Inkmattic, or head over to ink.yt/stake, or head over to the description. When you sign up, spin the roulette wheel and see what you get. If it's going to be Nike, Dropbox, or GoPro, let's find out. Leave a comment down below what you get. I'd love to know what stock you got from that. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.